Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add smooth zoom effect by using CapCut. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Now tap on new project. Here add the clips. Then at the video effect you guys can find out diamond zoom effect. Then after putting it, you guys can make it longer according to your need. Here I'm going to add keyframes to make a smooth zoom. I'm going to put the keyframe on the first line and also on the last line, and here I'm going to put on the middle line also. You guys can put keyframe according to your need and zoom in the video like this. You guys can also use graph animations for your keyframes. And here after adding keyframes, you guys can see the zoom effect on my video. This is how you guys can add smooth zoom effect on your video. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.